Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In previous video, I explained the string methods 11 to 20. Now I am going to explain from the 21 to 30. Please follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me show you the examples. So format map is a method. It is going to format and insert the specified value inside of the placeholder. Let me show you the example. I'm taking one Python dictionary. Dict1 is equal to. So dictionary format is name, key and value. So I'm taking like a name is Sidhu. Because it is a string, that's why I defined inside of the single quote, and age 8. So print of, so name is name, comma, age is age, dot, method name is format map of, you can write the variable name here, dict1. So it will take the values from the dictionary one. The values is nothing but Sidhu, that is going to be inserted in the placeholder of name, and age is going to insert in the placeholder. Let's see the output. You can see name is Sidhu, age is 8. Next, title is a method. Let's take one example, something like here you can see. Take this string and title here. So title is a method. It is going to convert the first character of every word into a uppercase. Let me show you the example. Print of str1 dot title of. You can see the output. So every word first character is converted to uppercase. Here it is lowercase, here lower l, but you can see upper. So title is a method. It converts the first character of every word to uppercase. Next, isalnum. It returns true if all the characters are alphanumeric. So just take the example, a is equal to Python 123 print of variable name a dot isalnum. You can write it. So it returns true only if all the characters are alphanumeric. You can see true. Alphanumeric is nothing but alphabets and numerical numbers. Here you can see alphabets under numbers. But here if you don't have the numbers, only alphabets is there, and you can see it is true only. Maybe if you don't have the characters, all numbers is there, you can check it true. But any special character is added, then it is going to write true. It is going to write like a false, because only it return true when all the characters are in the alphanumeric. So you can see. Next, isalpha. It returns true if all characters are alphabets. So take the example, a is equal to Java print of a dot is alpha. You can see true, because all characters are alphabets only. Maybe if you add any number here, any numerical number, you can see it is false. And any special character? False. Or any space? False. Only if the characters are alphabets, then only it will write the true. Next, isascii. Isascii means str1 is equal to like some characters and some numbers. Print of str1 dot is ASCII of. You can see if all characters are in the ASCII table, then it is going to return like a true. Maybe if you add this symbol, maybe just I encode, I explained here. So let me take this symbol and try to add it here. You can see now it is false because this symbol is not in the ASCII table. So it returns false. Next, isdigit is a method if all the characters are the numbers. So A is equal to some numbers here. You can check it. Print of A dot isdigit of. It is true. Any alpha character added? You can see false. Not only this, like we have the circle numbers also there. Not only this, true. And maybe I'm going to take like some circle numbers here. Circle numbers, you can take it. Just take me some example. Yeah, let's take some circle numbers here. Control C. Instead of numbers, I'm giving like some circle numbers here. Now you can ask, it is true. So normal numbers or maybe a circle numbers, it is going to write like a true only. If any alpha character is added, it is false. Let's see the numeric. A is equal to print of A dot is numeric. It returns true. If all the numerical numbers, then it is going to return like a true. If any alpha character or special character added, it false. And check with the circle numbers, not only the numeric number, maybe you can check it with the circle numbers. It is true. Next, isdecimal. A is equal to, I'm taking some numbers here. Print of A dot isdecimal. You can see this. It returns true because you have only the decimal numbers here. But any character is added, it is false. And circle numbers, just check with the circle numbers whether it is true or false. Take the circle numbers. You can see it is false. So circle numbers is decimal means only the decimal numbers, not with the circle numbers. Next, is identifier. Is identifier means it is a valid identifier. Combination of capital A to Z or small a to Z, 0 to 9 numbers and underscore. These all are the valid identifiers. But it can't be the valid identifier, it can't be the number, start with the number, or maybe underscores, any spaces. Those are not the valid identifiers. Let me show you the example here. Maybe I am taking A is equal to ABC123 and B is equal to underscore 2234, maybe underscore, you can take like a variable rules only. Valid identifier is nothing but a variable rules. So special characters not allowed, spaces are not allowed, but you can take the variable can't be start with the digit, alpha character, always it start with the alpha character. So those rules only here. You can take like a ABC underscore 123 and C I'm taking like a 123 ABC and D I'm taking like a 123 space ABC. So let me check which are the valid identifiers and which are not. So E is equal to 123 at the rate ABC. F is equal to underscore ABC underscore 123. Let's check which are the valid identifiers and which are not. So print of A dot is identifier of, you can see it is true. It is a valid identifier. Print of B dot is identifier of, true. That means it is also valid identifier. So print of C dot is identifier of, false. That means you can see valid identifier cannot start with the number. So print of D dot is identifier of. So you can see here a valid identifier cannot allow the spaces. So print of E dot is identifier of, you can see false. Special characters not allowed. Print of F dot is identifier of, it is true. Underscores are allowed. So these are the identifiers. Whether it is a valid identifier or it is an invalid identifier, you can check it this way. Next, islower. Islower is a method. Let me take one example here. A is equal to Python. So it check each and every character in a string. If all are in the lower case, then it returns true. So you can go and write like a print of A dot is lower of, you can see true. In case any of the letter is in the upper case, you can see some characters are in the lower case and one except one character it is in the upper case. In that scenario, false. So these are the methods from 20 to 30. So in next video, I'm going to show you the methods from 31 to 40. Please follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.